So in this case, the kitchen is centered between the dining and the living. So it actually acts as a hallway between the two spaces, create more of an opening, a more welcome open kitchen. You can see the windows have a really beautiful black frame. So they matched the fixture, the tap with that black frame. See the shelves are framed around the main window where the sink is centered. And again, the idea is to bring in nature, just like you can see from the outside. They live in a really beautiful, lush area. And so the idea was to bring that lushness into the kitchen as well. You can see they have a very strong sense of style within the backsplash. This blue textured and in the size and the shape. Bringing in those red knobs added a lot of personality and character to this area. We planned for as many drawers as possible in this area. You can see the lighting frames the peninsula really nicely. The idea is to have somewhat of a serving station for anybody who might be hanging out in the living room. Every single drawer has a specific purpose. Here we planned for the oak pegboard. These pegs can be adjusted and moved to create for any shape or item that's being stored in the drawer. This drawer, same, it was planned specifically, easy access, easy use. You can see it's also planned in the peninsula area. This is one of my favorite corner solutions. So the idea was that these cabinets would be utilized for any other items that would need to be pulled out near the range. So pots, pans, mixing bowls. The sink and range have a very close distance, so we wanted to add as much functionality in this specific area. So for the kitchen cabinets, we knew that we wanted to select something in the wood tone colors and plan for integrated handles to create a really minimal, sleek look. A pull-out waste bin that has two internal bins. So one is generally used for trash and one is for recycling. Appliance garage, which has a black door. It really relates well to the other black features in the home and within the kitchen. One of the other units is a pull-out spice rack. With this particular project, I think I really just enjoyed collaborating with the client. I'm very happy with the color selections and the overall layout, and the amount of functionality we were able to add into the space really just made this kitchen feel special and unique.